There it is. Wow. I just saw your whole spine de-stack the whole thing. That was amazing. But you're just gonna tell me, like, since it's been a few weeks, what top of mind, like, what's the biggest thing going on right now?
Let's see. Probably my mid back.
Mm-hmm.
Not as bad as like when we first started.
Yeah.
But getting there. Airplanes.
It's working that
Stuff,
direction?
yeah.
The lower mid back, that left side?
Yeah, it's like right in here.
Oh yeah. Worse on the left side, or do you just feel it all throughout?
It's on the right side.
What?
Yeah, I think it's.
What did Thailand do to you?
Switched me up.
Wait, what were you doing in Thailand though?
So I did animal sanctuary stuff. So I was in an elephant sanctuary. So
Oh my gosh.
it was fun.
That is so cool.
Yeah, so we took care of the elephants there. We fed them, watered them, made sure people wouldn't poach them.
Okay, start there. Yeah. Water, not poaching. And
Yeah.
then, when do you start this next adventure coming up here?
April.
April, and what exactly will you be doing?
So I'm gonna go into the police academy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does that mean you have a gig, or you go in the academy and then they get a gig? Because I know I've taken care of guys from SLO. They have.
Yeah. So usually you go through the academy. If you pass, you have a gig. If you fail, you're kicked out, kind of thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So
That's
like
quite a task.
Ventura and like Oxnard and stuff like that. It's all the same.
Okay. And SLO, I think, right?
Which one's that?
San Luis Obispo.
Oh, probably.
Where are you from originally again?
West Virginia.
Okay. Not SLO.
Not slow.
Okay. Let's go ahead and go face down. So top of mind. And just so these don't go flying off. There we go. Short right. Evens out.
Which is not usual.
What's your soccer number?
3.
Mine too.
Really?
Are you center half?
No, I'm center forward.
You're a striker?
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay. So you got some major talent. Major speed. Okay, well I can certainly feel that. And yeah, what is going on? That is very right-sided. And then that accentuated kyphosis, anything that we've been working towards, a nice trip and back to Thailand, taking care of the baby elephants, that is really set you back a bit there, so here we go.
That's
Yeah. So 1, 2. Okay. You ready to get to work?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Get on that one. Okay, take a deep breath in and let it go. Good. There you go. Let's take another deep breath in. Nice. Okay, line your right side there, facing me. Bring that up. Shoulders relaxed. Hips relaxed. Excellent. Let's line your other side. It's just strange to think that you've been to Thailand and back. It's like,
Yeah.
man.
And I didn't drink the water.
That,
That's
okay. Just the beer, huh? Lower here. There it is. Good. Let's line your back, please. Okay. Which side is more tender, that side or?
Ooh.
Yeah.
They're probably both about the same.
Yeah,
the right
I
side's a
think we
little
just
bit-
got to clear it all out because you're right. That is just both so jammed up there. Good. just gonna open up the occiput because it's really sitting on the neck there. Good. There it is. Wow. I just saw your whole spine de-stack the whole thing. That was amazing. Push head down into my hands. Let's just get a little suboccipital traction there. Really soothing to those areas. Good. How'd that feel?
Oof, I was not expecting that.
How many how many miles is it to Thailand, I wonder?
A lot.
Yeah. I think it's the longest plane ride, isn't it? Like
It was like
14?
14 or so.
Yeah. Okay. Let's have a seat at the bottom and we'll get that last little junction there. Should be good to go. Go ahead and lie down. Oh. Perfect.
Whew,
Nice.
good stuff.
Yeah, we're hitting all the right spots, I think, for sure. Push your head back. Get a little taller there. And that was right on. You doing okay there? Not too sore right there? Cool. Alright, let's go ahead and stand up, get a look at you. Nice and tall, good posture. Good?
Much better.
Yeah, stoked. Alright. Good to see ya.
Good to see you.
Alright, yeah, so